Hi guys, today I'm making the mutton biryani. For mutton biryani, we need some ingredient I'm going to show you. I need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoon of garlic, 2 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of mint, 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seed, 2 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves, 1 bay leaf, 5 green cardamom, 1 star, 5 clove, 1 stick of cinnamon. I have 2 onion that I slice this type, 1 big onion for the separate for the barista. I have some chopped coriander. I have a 1 cup of yogurt and I have a 2 pound of mutton. I have some chopped chilies. I have a 1 cup of rice that I soak for half an hour. I have some this masalas, so I'm going to make a biryani masala, dry one. So I'm going to show you how to make a biryani masala. I have some bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, tea star, 5 black cardamom. I have some javitri, coriander seeds, some black pepper, some green cardamoms. I have a half nutmeg and I have some cumin seeds. I'm just going to put the pan on the high heat. I'm just throw this masala. I have to roast this one masala little bit, not like too much black, but only for 2 minutes. It is time to close the stove. I'm going to put the fenugreek, mint leaves, let it cool down for a few minutes. Then I have to grind it. Now the masala is cooled down, so I'm going to grind this one. My biryani masala is done. I'm going to put in a one bowl. Later I show you how much I use and how much I save for the next time. First of all, I'm making the barista for the biryani. So I'm going to show you. I put the heat on the high and I put some oil. Not too much, like that's enough. My oil is heat up now. I'm going to put the onion for the barista. We have to do this one golden brown. It takes me at least 7 minutes. It is already 7 minutes, so it was done. So I'm going to take out this one, and now I'm doing the next batch. My second batch is done, so I'm going to close the heat. Now I'm going to marinate the mutton. So I have to transfer in the big bowl to marinate properly. So I'm going to marinate now mutton. So I have to put the salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, garlic, ginger. I'm putting the yogurt also. 1 pinch of mint leaves, green chili. I'm going to add little bit fried onion. Now I have to mix up. You have to mix up properly, and this marinate goat you have to leave for the at least 1 hour. If you want to leave for more, you can leave for more if you have a time. Otherwise you can leave for 1 hour at least. I have to put the pot and I have to put the gas on the high. I have to put mustard oil. Let it heat up the oil for 1 minute. Oil is heat up. I am to put the cumin seeds. Let it brown. Cumin seed is brown now. I have to put the onion. Let it get brown. In the meantime, I'm going to boil the rice 75%. I'm just add 1 bay leaf, green cardamom, 1 star, 1 cinnamon stick and some clove. I'm going to add 2 spoons of salt. Let it boil the water, then I put the rice. I'm going to put half teaspoon of salt. It has been already 7 minutes, so my onion is get little bit half brown. So I'm going to put the mutton in the onion. I have to cook this one for 15 minutes to make it like at least 60%. It has been already 5 minutes, so I'm going to put little bit water and then I put the heat on the medium. I'm just going to cover for 5 minutes. The water is boiled now, so I'm going to put the rice in the water. It is already 10 minutes, so I'm going to check my mutton. I'm just going to cover for 5 more minutes. It is already 15 minutes. I'm going to check my mutton. This is not done yet. I'm going to transfer this one in the pressure cooker to give it one steam. Just give it one whistle and I put on the high heat. It's already one whistle, so I'm going to close the gas. See, my rice is done like 60%, so I'm taking out the rice. Rinse this water. If you want, you can take out this khada masala, like you can take out the bay leaf, star, everything you can take out, because sometimes it's come in the mouth, so you don't feel good. So just take out. So now the steam is released. I'm going to open the cooker. Yeah, it was almost done, so I'm going to just dry this water. I put on a high heat and just dry this water for 5 minutes. I'm going to add one spoon of biryani masala that I made before. You have to put the biryani masala when the goat is already done, so otherwise the goat is not prepared fast. Water has dry and my goat is ready. So I have to close the gas. Now I am making the layers for the biryani. I have to put the rice first. Now I'm going to put some mutton on the rice. I'm going to put little bit barista. I'm going to add little bit more rice on the top. 1 spoon of biryani masala. Roll. Little bit fried onion. Put the gas on the low heat and cover this one with the towel. It is the steaming process, so I have to cover this one like this, and then I have to leave this one for 10 minutes. It is time to check the biryani now. It was already done, so I have to close the gas.